welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the Falcon 64 project. Today I have for you breaking down, well, my third member on my rear end is already broke down, but there's a couple things I still need to do. I'm totally rebuilding this rear end and I need to replace the axle bearings, so I will be drilling out the metal collar in front of the bearings themselves and then getting the bearings removed by using a press. And I have the pinion bearing still in the third member that I need to remove. So I found some videos out there that show basically that removal process, but are basically the disassembly part of the whole thing. But most of them miss the pinion bearing removal off the out of the third member. So I just wanted to show that, and I'm going to include in this video the removal of the axle bearings and the install of the new bearings. So stay tuned, and thanks again for watching. So basically the bearing I'm talking about, the pinion bearing I'm talking about in the third member is this one down here. It's held in by this retaining clip. Basically there's a ring inside the housing that clip kind of pushes down into and holds it in place. So we're going to be removing that bearing in the clip. And how I'm going to do that is I'm basically going to flip this over. Ooh, need some cleaning there. And hold on, let me get some gloves and the appropriate socket I'm going to use to get that out. So here I'm going to use a 19mm socket. Basically fills up the gap, and I'm just going to tap it out. Now, there's the bearing, and there's the retaining clip. As you can see, there's the clip. It should go right back in there just like that. And there's the old bearing. And there is where it came out of. As you can see the ring there that clip goes down into. Alright, everybody. Turn off that fan so we can hear. What we're going to do here is we're going to drill. This little bar right here goes around. Drill right on the top of that. And once we get it about 3/4 of the way down there, we're going to hit it with a cold chisel. Got a little 1/8 drill bit, and I'm gonna use some just motor oil, trying to keep it a little cool or lubricated while we drill. All right. Get our chisel. I think I felt it give way there. Maybe not. Wow. See where it's raised up on one side. Definitely looks like it's split. This looks a little different than the last one. I think looks like I need to drill this top half out as well. So we'll keep that right at the same. Maybe we'll try to do this. Keep it just in spot like a. There she goes. A little well. Alright, let's try whacking that sucker. And there we go. There's the retaining clip. That's the first time I've seen one like this, where it's held over with a ledge on it. Anyways, I just drilled in 2 spots and it finally gave loose. I'm gonna do that on the other one. Then we'll need a bearing splitter and a press and pull this right off. I'm gonna get it cleaned up and ready for the new bearings to go on. Alright everybody, I have some bad news. I was hoping to show the pressing on of the bearing on the axles, but my buddy's press wouldn't fit the axles, so I ended up having to go to a machine shop, and the gentleman there did not want to have that process videoed. So anyways, just wanted to show you the finished product on that. Brand new bearings on there. He pressed the old ones off and then pressed these two on. This is the retainer, and then of course that's the bearing. I just got them home. Cost me $35 to have that done at the machine shop.